we got a load up yesterday, we promised more today. Finley Hennessy's up at the moment, 13 years old, and he's trying to program. He uses deluxe oil. John will tell you all about this. This is non-carcinogenic smoke oil he's using. He's flying Catawba, guided by Catawba.
What John Burstow does with deluxe model products, he actually looks to industries which have to be environmentally friendly, and he looks to a lot of the food industries, because obviously burning oil, normal oil, isn't very good. So, as in the turbines, if we burn full-size turbine oil, it is carcinogenic. Well, he makes the only purpose-blended micro-turbine oil for total loss systems. The smoke oil is basically oil. Think of something like baby oil. What you do is a small pump through a tiny little pipe, a little jet that goes into the manifold, into the exhaust. And what it does, it cooks it. It's obviously not fine, but it burns it. If you go behind a car that's got the rings for the engine, it's a similar principle.
This smoke oil is designed with input from top pilots including ASA from ASA Aerosports in Europe and Aero Panda in North America, and signed to both jets and vessel engines. Size of model. It's 2 years to develop to get it as good as it is now. It's not just throw it together and leave it, so 2 years worth of development. And John is a chemist.
I'm very clever then. He actually supports more than just the airline lobby. They have all sorts of things they produce, for things like train sets for keeping the rail lines from oxidising, you name it, they do it. Very good selection of different glues for different materials.
Morning Mike Donnelly, how you doing? Good. Look at him. It's Billy. Now this is Finley Henderson. Steve Elias has just come to say hello. Morning, Steve. Steve's a bit of a good pilot. He's got the world champion. Which is the Flying Fin RC. That's 2 ends in fin instead of double end. Morning, Hank. And that's on Facebook and YouTube. You can look up the Flying Fin RC. So he's 13 years old. Get on his YouTube channel. Click to subscribe, I think is what they say. So, any more ravens? Here they come. Bring your ravens, bring the ravens. I see James is out there getting his ready. Riley. This is the Flying Fin. Fin Hennessy. Lovely filming. No things anyway. He's sponsored by the and Tom Jets as well. Tom from Austria.
neighbour of Germany. Great product. Kit manufacturer. He's kind of a father and son thing. Supported by his dad. He do lots of videos. If we follow Pete, he's got his own page.
Headphones. Have you got them? Oh, you like it? Hands up who likes Palmer Violets.
Not me.
Hey, Adam's into them.
Palmer Violet, the same person who made Marzi take that as well.
Sucking on the bar of soap. I never used to like marzipan, but if I find something I don't like, I just keep eating it till I do. Like the same with baked beans, never used to like them. But other than that, do that punching or cooking things, didn't they, with their shins and I can't remember what they were called.
To harden them up.
Yeah, exactly. Nutters. I don't go that far, but I like to be able to go and have a choice of anything on the menu at a restaurant. And that's the one I like.
It's not easy this at all.
It's been a long, very good display on filling the slot as well.
If you ever get a chance to have a go on a simulator, this is not easy what it's doing. This is doing what we refer to these days as stick vacuum, where deflection is at maximum, and it's obviously to counteract the aircraft or avoid it hitting the ground.
Now we've got a set of Raven, and we're talking about Finn's YouTube channel, but I see Pete's out there.
Oh, there's some great videos, historical ones as well.
His son flies, I think that's how he started doing it, wasn't it? Dino flies at the shows, Dad came along and thought, I might as well film this.
He originally was strapping video cameras to the top of aeroplanes long before Dino came along.
Okay. Oh, we love it.
Obviously cameras now, the tiny little cameras we have, you can put them on the aircraft anywhere at 1080p, it's very good quality. But what Pete did, he actually got a proper video
Window plates?
gaffer taped it to the top of an aeroplane.
Gaffer tape and WD-40, the only tools you need in the toolbox. And a hammer, I've been told. Dutch screwdriver, that's called, isn't it?
Yeah, it's for nailing down the edge of the gaffer tape.
I think that's all they used to build our caravan, actually.
Got it wrong, called it a barracuda, but it's not, it's a bronco. Now,
That's a fish, isn't it?
it is a fish.
Thank you, that's Finley NFC, was it?